Good morning, everybody. So we are going to be focusing on 2G blends still, but today we're going to focus on the S and the TW blends. Okay, so we are going to go through and we're going to go over what blends the sounds make. Okay, and in your notebook, you're going to be taking notes of words that start with that sound. Okay, I want you to write down the one I wrote, but then I want you to try to come up with one on your own. Challenge yourself. Okay, so you're going to read the blend and come up with a word that has the blend in it. Okay, so sk, sk. Repeat after me. Sk. Awesome, that sounds great. So sk, school. Okay, so what's another word that might start with that sound? SC sound. Scout. You're right. Scout. I am a Boy Scout or I'm a Girl Scout. Good job. So make sure you're writing down another word that has that. You might have to ask for a little help in spelling it. Okay, come up with some words on your own. If you need time, go ahead and hit pause. Remember, it's very easy to stop and take your time. Wow. Does that sound similar to the word or the sound that we just did? But what's different? Right. This has a K and the last one has a C, but they both made the same sound. So skate. Skate. Good. What's another word that might have that sound at the beginning? Remember, it's got to be SK this time, not an SC. So it might be tricky to think of a word. Skip. Good. I skipped down the road. Awesome. Repeat after me. Sm. Sm. Good. Small. Good. What's another word that you might hear that SM sound at the beginning? Smile. Good. I like that one. I hope you guys are all smiling. Remember, if you need time, come up with another word that has that blend at the beginning. I'd like to see what you guys come up with because everybody comes up with something different. Repeat after me. Do you think you could do this one on your own? Good. Sna. Snail. Good. That was awesome, guys. You guys were able to do that one on your own. What's another word that starts with sna? Awesome. Snake. Great job. Go ahead and write that in your notebook if you came up with that. If you come up with a different one, that is awesome. Challenge yourself. Do 2, do 3. See how many you can just come up with. Make a list. It's okay to challenge yourself and do more work than being asked. Ooh, do you think you can do this one on your own? Yell it nice and loud. Sp, sp, sp. Good job. Spell. Good. What's another word that you could do that starts with the SP sound? Spill. Good. Spell, spill. What else? Good job. You guys are so good at this. Okay, remember you're making a list in your notebook of some other words that start with that SP sound and all the other blends. If you need extra time, feel free to hit pause. Ooh, this one I think you guys can do on your own. St, st. Good. Street. Good. What's another one that might start with st? Steak. Good. I hear some awesome ideas. Go ahead and make sure you're writing them down in your notebook so we can hear them or read them. Ooh, this one's a tricky one. Who thinks they could do this one on their own? Great job. Swim. Great job. What's another word that you could do that starts with SW? Swam. Good. What else? Awesome ideas. Make sure you're writing that in your notebook so we can read it. Ooh, this one's tricky. Twin. Twin. Good. What is another word you could do? Twine. Good. You guys are really good at this. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to pause your video And you're going to read this short story called Snail Swimming. Okay, and while you're reading it, I want you to make a list of all S and TW blends that you guys can find. Okay, remember we just went over a bunch of them. So while you're reading, I want you to make a list of the S and the TW blends. Okay, read this right from this short story. Okay, you guys are doing a great job. Remember, if you need an extra day to do this, take it. Okay, you have tomorrow as well. Okay, you guys are doing a fantastic job. Keep up all of that hard work.